Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT X70 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhre. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of your X70. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on X70, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close a node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!